Hey, I'm Dan from Saugin. Just thought we'd give you a quick update and show you what we're working on here today at the shop. I'll see what old Wiz is doing back in the service department here. There he is. What are you working on, Wiz?
Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a chainsaw.
What kind is it? What are we doing?
Husqvarna. It's a 576.
Putting on a new cylinder?
New cylinder, piston.
What happened to the old one?
As you can see right here. Well, this is a OEM defect. If you look closely, the piston ring pin literally disappeared.
And what happened to the piston then?
Well, it allowed the ring to rotate, as you see, which it's not supposed to. You look at this one, yeah, pin's in there, and the ring's staying where it's supposed to. So what happened is the ring rotated, got around to the port.
And that's all you need, and that's an OEM piston.
This is an OEM piston. It
Yep.
got into port, lifted it right up, and snapped off half top that piston.
What did that do to the cylinder then?
Well, unfortunately, it didn't do a whole lot, but it did take a nice little nick out of the top of the... You can see the nick right there in the port. And some scarring and scratching there.
Wow, okay.
So,
well, we've got this one back together. It should be running by this afternoon, so...
Yep.
Well,
doing all the fun. It is a heated handle, so you do have a carb heater on here as well for your metering diaphragm and your fuel inlet. So all this, or your air inlet, kind of warms it up when it's really cold.
We'll get her running, huh, Wills?
We'll get her.
All right.
We'll get it.
Take care.